Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cooking Light Taste Test. And this week we are trying sparkling water.
So today we're trying sparkling waters, and we're going to judge it based on, obviously, flavor. What else?
I think effervescence, like how actually bubbly and sparkly it is.
Let's try the first one, shall we?
Yes.
Okay, number one.
Number one, cheers. It's definitely lime flavored.
Oh, I was getting grapefruit. Pamplemousse.
All right. Still tastes like lime to me. Actually, it just tastes like, yeah, it tastes like lime.
It's like a general citrus.
It's got like just a few bubbles, so it's not as fizzy as I want like a good sparkling water to be.
It has like a bitter aftertaste to me.
But not super strong. Like if I were drinking a lot of it and not lingering over the flavor, I don't know that I would necessarily notice it. Like it's very rare that you drink you know. Like that's unusual. Usually you just drink it.
You're unusual. But I'm gonna give it a 3.
I'm gonna also give it a 3. I feel pretty neutral about it. I see one bubble. There's one.
Tiny bubbles.
I can't hear anything. I still have no idea what the flavor
Orange?
is.
Now I'm second guessing myself.
I'm back to grapefruit. I think it's grapefruit. Last time I thought it was lime. They're all the same flavor. Last time I thought it was lime. This time I think it's grapefruit. But this is even less fizzy than the last one. So now we're at like, this is practically like sort of a still water.
I feel like this is more orangey.
Do you like this has sort of a sweet aftertaste.
It does. The first one had kind of a bitter aftertaste.
I like this one more. I would say this is like a 3.5.
I'm still at a 3.
Cheers. Now this smells like lemon.
It's all an illusion. They're messing with us. I think we're on pumped.
Oh, this is a lot fizzier though. This has sort of a nice, strong fizz. I don't know.
I don't know if this is a freak guess, but I feel like it's Perrier. My spidey senses are tingling, and I could be wrong, but I feel it. I like this one. What do you think?
Sure.
I give it a 3.5.
I give it a 3. It's okay. I missed the flavor.
You missed the flavor?
Yeah, I like the flavor from the second one.
This had the most flavor.
No.
Are we tasting the same drinks? Are they messing with us? Yep,
yeah.
Still the same one.
Mm-hmm. No, I think it's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
This has really got like a lot more flavor. I feel like this is definitely...
Dear God, what is that?
Grapefruit, right? It's grapefruit. I think it's grapefruit.
That's all you can say about this? That it's grapefruit?
Yeah, what's wrong?
I'm like trying to just like baby sips. It's so bitter and cloudy and just like not good at all. When you go to the Caribbean, they give you a ting with a sting, and it's like ting, like grapefruit soda, but the sting is vodka.
Oh.
This is like this much sting and like this much vodka or something. This is just not, I give this like a 0.5.
Wow. I give it a 3.
Like, look at yours, like you really got after it.
So this was the most grapefruity, I thought, and this was the least grapefruity. This is Aldi brand, yeah. This had sort of a sweet aftertaste. Still no sugar or anything in it, but it just ended up having no bitterness, and that one had the most bitterness, and this is Spindrift.
So everyone that I know loves Spindrift, and it's like super popular. That's just so bitter for me.
This actually has a touch of sugar in it because it's got 10% juice, which is why it was cloudy.
Why?
So what's interesting too is that this is grapefruit, orange, and lemon juice, and then a little hibiscus for color. So this actually has a pretty complicated flavor.
And this one was my favorite, and this is sparkling natural mineral water with pink grapefruit flavor and other natural flavors with a low mineral content.
This same thing, carbonated water and natural flavor, so there's no juice in this. But it tasted sweet, I have to say.
I really like that one.
Yeah.
I do.
I think that was probably, well, this was definitely my winner. I mean...
I'm holding on to mine,
I understand. And then bubbly, which is Pepsi's new one, and this also has 0 juice, so no carbohydrates or anything like that. I think I prefer the flavor of this one.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please comment below and tell us which sparkling water is your favorite, what flavor you like, or what we should try next. And as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you get all the videos.
Also catch us on YouTube and be sure to hit the subscribe button and you'll know when we have new episodes out. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers!